The food we eat should be a source of joy, not fear. But the truth is, food-borne illnesses like Listeria, Salmonella, and E. Coli can lurk in even the most carefully prepared meals. These invisible threats can cause serious illness, especially for vulnerable populations like pregnant women, elderly adults, and young children. Introducing PolySkope One, a revolutionary food safety testing protocol. With PolySkope One, you can quickly and easily test your food for these dangerous pathogens, with highly accurate results made available within 24 hours. Used by the U.S. Army, PolySkope One is a trusted AOAC certified product. No more guesswork, no more anxiety. PolySkope One empowers you to take control of your health and your family's safety. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your food is safe. PolySkope One, because food safety shouldn't be a luxury, it's your right. PolySkope One, protecting your body and your family's safety, one meal at a time. Visit PolySkopeLabs.com to learn more about our food safety testing kits today.